Hi, this video is about how to make this wood paneling decor on the wall. Let's jump into the software now. We're gonna use customize ceiling module. Okay, click on the wall, select background wall design. Then click on the white region here and select draw rectangle and draw the bottom divider. You can resize here in the length or width. Okay, say I change to 900 and you may edit the distance here. I will put 2 for the wall extrude distance and 60 for the divider. Okay. Next I'm going to draw the wood panel using rectangle and change the length to 100. Okay, and now I will go back to 3D and put on the material first. Okay, so here I will extrude 60 also. Okay, and I'm gonna map all the surfaces. Okay, let's go back to the link design. Okay, right click and select style to go back to the design interface. Let's push this to the end first. Then right click on the panel and select pave continuous pave. Okay, while you are dragging, you can input the array gap, let's say 80, enter, so that the gap of each panel is 80. Right, let's delete this and try another method. Right click and select pave, interval pave to have gap that is equal to the length of the panel. Okay, now let's check on the 3D. Okay, that's it. You may now continue to map the rest of the surfaces. Thank you for watching and happy trying.